Alright, boys and girls. We've actually gotten back into this one for a second time. We had some power problems here at the shop. This started life off as a Tram D300, which was basically a wannabe 2000. It was a Cobra chassis. And when he bought it and sent it to me, it was fried. So we decided to build him a radio that's going to last a very, very long time. So we gutted the Tram D300 and we kept his Tram badge in there, but we redid the front of the face in this really nice wood grain and put Cobra knobs on it, putting in a 148 GTL chassis with the switches for the channels, 30 amp power supply, strapping, 6-digit counter, and our trusty Super Duty module in the bottom. So the meters, everything's been changed on this. And all the meters are functional, as you can see. If we go over here to calibrate, we can calibrate our SWR meter, flip it to SWR, look at that, works just fine. So now you can watch his SWRs and everything all in one shot. The radio, barefoot, and when I say barefoot, I mean the Super Duty board's not on. We have about 1/4 watt dead key. This is going to make you mad. There you go. 16 watts from a less than a watt dead key. Then over here, we just flip this guy over here. Just short of 70 from 5. Audio 1, 2. Audio 1, 2. Check, check. All our meters are still functioning nice and neat. He has all the basic functions. We made all the lettering for it. This came out to be, now when he wants to turn his Super Duty on, he'll have one of these knobs on here. He'll just turn that to the left. Boom, 70 watts. If this is in any other position, he's the same power as a hopped up 2000. So this is for Marshall in Alabama, one of my very first and very best customers. He said, 409, do what you do. And this is what we did for him. So Marshall, check this video out, brother. If there's anything about that now, we don't have the mic jack put in yet. We're changing that. That's gonna be a 4-pin. And there will be a knob on here, you know, to match the rest of these guys. We're gonna clean this guy up. There's still some aligning to do, but the bottom line is, it's basically done. We're gonna tie up some wires. You know what I mean? We're gonna make sure the power supply is good and grounded. Okay. As always, on the bottom, all you see is our Super Duty heatsink. And he's got everything that the 148 had, minus whatever was on the switches that nobody uses anyway. You know, volume, squelch, RF gain, SWR calibrate. Calibrate SWR switch with an empty space in case he wants to do something else. Sidebands. Bam. Lower sideband. Upper sideband, which still have to be aligned. Voice lock. Works like a charm. Take you all over the place. Okay. And trusty mic gain. And this will be labeled our Super Duty off and on. So there we go. Let's take one more look at that. Mm. 70 watts all day long. Marshall, if you don't want it, I'll keep it. All right, guys, we'll see you. 7 3s.